Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Wix Payments for digital product sales in USA. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To start authorizing Wix Payments for digital product sales in the USA, first, log in to your Wix account. Navigate to your site's dashboard. Select Settings from the left-hand menu. Click on Accept Payments in the Settings menu. Find the Wix Payments option and click Set Up. Review the information about Wix Payments, then select Get Started. You will be prompted to provide business information. Enter your business name and type. Fill in your business address, ensuring all details are accurate. Next, provide tax information. You may need to enter your employer identification number, or EIN. Complete the identity verification process by uploading required documents. This may include your ID and proof of address. Once all information is provided, review your entries for accuracy. After confirming the details, click Submit. Wix Payments will then process your application. You will receive a notification on the approval status via email. If approved, return to the Accept Payments section. Here, ensure your Wix Payments is set to live. Now, navigate to the site menu and check your digital products. Make sure each digital product has the appropriate payment settings. Once you've confirmed the settings, publish your site. With Wix Payments authorized, you can begin selling digital products in the USA. Monitor your transactions through the Wix dashboard for updates and sales data. Ensure to keep your business information up to date for seamless transactions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.